out. I do plan on posting an empty house tour this Sunday, so stay tuned for that. But if you have not seen my empty apartment tour of the place I had been living the past 2.5 years, you can check that out in the iCard and description box below. I will have it linked. Because my current craft/filming rooms look like this, we're gonna be doing something today that doesn't require me to unpack all these boxes. I'm just not feeling it yet. So I went to Target and I got a giant roll of foil. I mean, is one really a DIY YouTuber if he or she has not tried all the trends, no matter how pointless they are? The answer is no. No, my friends. Seriously, I'm really curious to try this. Until I get settled in, I'm gonna just be uploading Fridays and Sundays for the next few weeks. And don't worry, they won't all be like this. I do plan to do some house stuff and room decor and art videos again very soon and wreck this journal. So I hope you guys are excited for that. If you are, please subscribe, join the family if you have not yet already, and turn bell notifications on. I can't speak. All right, like that's a sign to just get on into the foil ball age. Let's do this. Oh, a hair in mouth. Target only had 2 left. One was open, so I decided to use this for crafts, and then that will be in our kitchen. First thing I'm gonna do is try and roll this into the tightest ball that I possibly can. I can't talk over the foil because it's so loud. This is not very only a couple minutes into this and it's starting to make my hand uncomfortable already. Is it too late to stop? Need a wrist guard or something. My wrist is not like this. Oh, there's a sharp part, so maybe gloves would be a good idea. As I continue without gloves. Do what I say, not what I do. I haven't been timing this, but I've probably been at it for about 20 minutes now. It's finally starting to gain a little bit of weight. Still have this much of the roll left. This is 200 square feet, almost 67 yards of foil, so I don't know if I'm gonna be using all this. It's not looking super round yet, but I'm working on it. Oh no, I forgot to turn the autofocus on. Okay, let's get back into making this round. Why had I not been double fisting this before? It's so much easier. I am a Wreck-It Ralph.
Don't stop.
Do you even lift? These little spaghetti arms are a work in progress. Hello.
I was making sure you're doing it on something. It's not marking up your white table, is it?
No, it has these really nice pads on the bottom.
Okay.
Do you want to play?
No, I'm playing with my toys I bought.
What toys?
The lawnmower and the power washer.
Oh, what if my arms get tired?
Better take a break. I need a power bar.
Oh my gosh, this is a lot. I'm on break. It's like a beautiful silver snowball. Excuse the shadow, the light's changing. I took a break for a while. As you can see, I did end up removing it from the roll, and I did about 18 more minutes of work, wrapping and hammering. So about 45 minutes total at this point. And I think this is about as big as I want it to be. Otherwise, it's not gonna be very easy to hold in my hand and sand. Oh my gosh, what's with the rhyming? So what I'm trying to do at this point is just to get it more rounded, and then I'm gonna sand it.
it back on. There you go.
So cool. Ow! I just snapped the band on my face. Ow! Okay.
Tissue lines is on too.
Not that bad. So I think that this is about as good as it's gonna get. It was looking very promising at the beginning when I started sanding, but then more and more layers just kept flaking away and it was not polishing as well. There were a lot of gaps, and I think that is because I didn't hammer it long enough and hard enough and compact enough. There are some spots on this that feel and look amazingly smooth and shiny, but others are just not up to par with the other videos that I watched. So I give mad props to everyone who was able to make this look 10 or 100 times better than mine. It takes a lot of hard work, and my hands would have been so tired if I would have continued for hours and hours trying to get it to look perfect. So any of you guys who are thinking of trying this, just keep in mind that it is not as easy as it looks. Give this video a thumbs up if you're excited for Sunday's empty house tour. And in the comment section below, let me know what you think of this makeshift filming background. I literally set it up in like 10 minutes, but I think it's actually really cute. And also I'm filming with natural daylight because I have lots of windows here. So tell me if you think it looks okay. I hope you guys have a great rest of the day. Did not mean to rhyme, I swear. All right, goodbye.